Hi friends, I'm John Laspina. Today we're going to talk about the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. And before we get started, please click the subscribe button and help my channel to grow. I greatly appreciate your assistance with that. We have essentials that we have to have. We have to have protein, we have to have fat. We don't need to ingest carbohydrates. Our liver makes what we need, but we also need vitamins and minerals. We have to have them. They are essential and we must get them from the foods that we eat. There are two kinds of vitamins, fat-soluble vitamins and water-soluble vitamins. And what that means is when you take the fat-soluble vitamins, or when you're getting the fat-soluble vitamins from the food you're eating, they are absorbed into your system via the fat that we eat, through the fat that we're digesting. So when you're eating food with healthy fats, A, D, E, and K vitamins can get absorbed readily into your system effectively because they are fat soluble. Very important. So what does that mean? It means that people who are taking supplementation, people who take a multivitamin or they take the separate vitamins, maybe vitamin E or just vitamin A, if you're taking supplements, do not take them on an empty stomach. They require fat to be absorbed, to be soluble. So what I do is I take a vitamin D3 in the wintertime when I have less sunlight, and I take a vitamin K2 almost every day. Vitamin K2 is so important because it helps the calcium that I'm getting to get absorbed to go into the bones where it's supposed to go and not into my arteries. Vitamin K2 helps with coagulation of your blood. It does a lot of things. Google vitamin K2. There's also K1, which your body has to convert into K2, so we think it's important that you ingest, if you're going to take a vitamin, that you take a K2. Just a little tip that I learned. I take a vitamin K2 almost every day, and I make sure I don't take it until my first meal of the day. And my first meal of the day is around 11 o'clock a.m., 11:30. After that, that's when I take any vitamins that I'm going to take that are fat soluble. Like vitamin D3 as well. When I take my vitamin D3, when I'm not getting enough sunlight, I live here in South Florida, we get lots of sun, so I don't take a lot of vitamin D3, but if I feel a cold coming on, if I feel a virus coming on, if I know I haven't been in the sun enough, I take vitamin D3. Again, with the 3 number, there are other forms of vitamin D that your body has to convert into D3 so it's usable. So when you buy vitamin D, make sure it says D3 on it. And you must take that with food that has fat in it because it's a fat-soluble vitamin. Vitamin A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble vitamins. Now, the water-soluble vitamins are vitamin C and all of the B vitamins. And there's a list of B vitamins. Some of them have names like riboflavin. You are okay to take those on an empty stomach because they are called water-soluble vitamins. And you can take them during a fast. You can take them in the morning before you eat food and you don't have any fat in your system. So just a quick video here to tell you if you're taking any supplementation and they are fat-soluble vitamins, you want to make sure that you're taking them with fat in your food. Otherwise, you're wasting your money. They're being peed right out. Your body will absorb the healthy fat-soluble vitamins when you take them and you have some fat that was just recently ingested from the foods that you ate. All right, so fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, K, take them, if you're taking them, with your meals. I prefer to get as many of my vitamins from the foods that I eat, but when I supplement, and if you supplement, make sure the fat-soluble vitamins are being taken with fatty foods that you're eating. Healthy fats now, not seed oils. Ladies and gentlemen, eat well so that you can look and feel well and become the optimized version of yourself. Have a great day.